Step 2. Let me give you a quick overview before we start building. Alright, this is your Shopify admin, the back end of your store. Everything you need to build, manage, and run your store lives here. On the left, you've got your main navigation. Home, that's where we are now. Orders, that's where customer purchases show up. Products, where we'll add what you're selling. Customers, a list of everyone who buys from you. And you can access almost anything else you need from this menu. Just look here for the broad category first and then dive in deeper. A little further down, we have Online Store. This is where we'll customize how your store actually looks. We'll spend a lot of time in here. And then the gear icon with settings is at the very bottom. That's where we'll handle payments, shipping, and your domain name later on. You'll also notice that Shopify gives you this setup guide in the center of the screen, basically a checklist of everything you need to do before your store is ready. But the good news is we're going to cover all of it in this video, so you don't need to pay too much attention to this. And one more thing, you see this little icon up top right here? If you click that, that's Sidekick, Shopify's AI assistant. If you ever get stuck on something after this tutorial, you can ask it questions right here. It's free on every plan. You can close it with a little X in the top right. If you ever want to see your Sidekick conversation history, you can click Sidekick Conversations in the lower left. It'll appear down here by settings.